Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to insert page border in Word document. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So in order to insert page border, you just have to go to the design tab as you can see right here, and once you tap there you will get to see the option for page borders. Click here, then make sure you are in the page border option, and once you are here just click on box, and here you will find many styles available. You can choose whatever style you want. So let's suppose I will go with the plain black line, and if you want to go with the dotted line you can check that as well. Many styles are available, but in my case I'm going with the black line only. And then this is the option for color. Whatever color you want to choose you can just choose that. This is the option for width. So let's suppose I select this width, okay, and this is the option for art. So in case if you want to include any art in your border you can just choose that from here. And once you select this all, you have to apply this thing to whole document and just hit on OK. And yeah, there you go, we have successfully inserted page border in Microsoft Word. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.